Guys, before we get started in today's video, I just want to remind everybody that today there is an AMA, community AMA, Warren.Finance. They're going to be on and they're going to talk about the treasury, rehypothecation, bond promo, and marketing update. So this is going to be an important chat, guys. Come on to the voice chat on Telegram, Friday the 19th at 12 p.m. EST. See you guys there. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. This is Mo Crypto and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about Warren. But before we jump into Warren, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a background to what I was doing before starting this video. I was actually watching some live streams about some TA about random cryptocurrencies that are on the top 100, right? And from my preliminary research, it looks like we're still not in a bull market, guys. We're still not. We're gonna probably have another leg down and we're gonna be experiencing some bleeding in the next little while, all the way till March probably. So if you are DCAing into your favorite cryptocurrencies, just keep that in mind. The more money you spend trying to speculate on some coins, the less money you're gonna have to spend when the bull market is actually gonna be here, and you're gonna probably wanna, you know, DCA into your favorite altcoins and blue chips in the period of time until we get to that Bitcoin halving, which is in 98 days according to this calculator right here, or 97 right now, 97 days. What I'm doing is I'm going to be continuing to build my Pulse backs, because you guys have noticed over the last little while, I mean, Pulse has been killing it. All right, guys, this website, I'm going to leave it in the description. It's a very great resource, guys, because if you go to coins and look at bubbles, it gives you an overview of some of the important coins on Pulsechain. And guys, over here, I've been able to do a few X's, you know, like if you find a coin that you like, if you look at the chart, let's say we look at INC, right? It's up 45%. Click on these three dots, click on the chart. You're going to see the chart show up right away. I usually go to the daily, look at how the chart is doing. When you're seeing a coin like this, and over the last month, it's gone up like 4x, you're like, yo, this can easily go back up to like 20 bucks, 40 bucks, 60 bucks, because it's nowhere near all-time high, right? Let's say we do that. Woo! That's a 14x, right, guys? So anyways, all this to say is this is a very, very good website with a lot of good resources. And, you know, I haven't heard about it before, but recently when I started coming onto it, when I started buying more PulseX, more Hex, and more Pulse tokens, yo, this has been very, very good help. And just a quick tip for a lot of people here. When a lot of people send me messages saying you don't have gas for your Pulse, I'm always confused because there's always ways to get gas. So if you go to Go Pulse, at the bottom here, there's a button that says claim free Pulse. So this here, you can claim 100 free Pulse every single day. That will help you for your gas fees. And they've paid out 31 million tokens to a lot of the people in this community. So that's pretty awesome. All right. So in the spare time before the Bitcoin halving comes, I am going to be dabbling into Warren, and Warren is actually killing it, right? So a few of my friends have been DMing me and asking me about Warren and asking me why I'm so into Warren, right? Because to them, it's just another ROI dApp, and on the surface it does look like just another ROI dApp. There are a few things that distinguish Warren from a lot of other protocols, one of them being the total liquidity, which I'm going to be talking about today. Now this is something that I feel like a lot of people should really try to understand, right? So the liquidity right now is 1.75 million. Okay, think about this. It's been over a month that the protocol has been launched. We've steadily been going up by 100k every single week, 100k give or take, some weeks much faster than others, because of the recent pump in the Pulsechain ecosystem. Now with $1.7 million, if this was any other protocol, they would just leave it hang over here, do nothing, and that's gonna keep paying out people that claim on a daily basis, right? If we look at the chart, for example, and go to Dex Screener, this is how the chart looks. This looks fake as hell, okay? This looks mega fake, but it's actually what it is. This huge candle here is people that sold and restaked because they wanted to profit from the bond promotion that's going on right now, which if you haven't already, click the link at the top over here It explained to you exactly how you can participate and earn up to 20% of your bond total airdrop to you as a bonus for participating. You have to either deposit $500, $1,000, or $2,500. And if you do over $2,500, the larger your deposit is, the bigger the chance you have of getting a 10% of your entire stake. So it's a pretty cool promotion, guys. Just click on this link, read more about it, and watch more videos about it. It's pretty cool. I mean, a lot of people have been talking about this. So anyways, I don't want to talk too much about this in this video. But if you look over here, you see a lot of people are selling, a lot of people are buying, a lot of people are selling, a lot of people are buying. And what the contract is doing is that as soon as there's a sell, there's an immediate buy right afterwards with an equivalent amount. So it's going to always keep it consistently looking like this. Because if you sell one apple, but then I buy one apple and a half, it's always going to make my apple liquidity go up in value. Was that clear enough? Anyways, so this liquidity is not simply sitting in the ecosystem paying out people on a daily basis. It's actually working in the background to ensure that we have another additional source of income coming into the ecosystem that adds to the marketing, that adds to the treasury, which adds to the development of the protocol. It adds to the team rewards. It adds to a lot of things. If we look at the docs right now, and you guys can see the rehypothecation, there's injection and marketing, there's treasury, there's development, and there's team. So a bunch of the rehypothecation that we're getting on a yearly basis is actually being used to add to the protocol without having the need to have new investors coming in and adding more and more capital. And to figure out exactly how much is actually invested, let's look at the Pulsechain farms. Right now on the Pulsechain farms, guys, you guys can see the Dai from Ethereum. So that's Dai-WPLS. This is the current farm that we have stakes into, right? This farm is currently earning 138% APR. Now, on the surface, APR meaning 138% for the year. On the surface, that's not that much, right? If you look at the calculator, click on this icon, and let's put $1,000. On a daily basis, on this $1,000, you're making $3.79. Okay? Now, let's take into consideration you have $1 million. Okay? If you have $1 million, then what happens is you're making $3,000 per day. And as of recently, I spoke with Nomad on the in the chats on Telegram, and he said that there's around $700,000 to $800,000 of the total TVL that's currently staked over here, right? So if we go ahead and write 800,000, then we can see that on a daily basis, we're making about $3,000 that goes to support the ecosystem, layer 2, marketing. This is huge, guys. It's huge, right? If we look at the calculator right now, if we do 2028 and multiply that by 365, that's $1 million additional that's coming back and injected into the ecosystem without having massive whales, without having regular Joes, without having any other people coming and adding their 1 BNB, adding their 100 USDC into the protocol. This is $1 million that's added that would have not if this was any other protocol. And because of this creative and genius ideas that the dev team implements to support their ecosystem is why I'm such a fan of this protocol, right? It's been consistently growing. The team has been very transparent. They've been open about every single topic. Not one question was not answered. So it just gives me the confidence to know that it's going to last for 6 months, right? So I hope this is something that a lot of you now understand a little bit better. If you have any questions on that, you can always leave it in the comment section below. Latest update for my stakes. So right now, as I told you guys, I am on a daily basis adding a stake. So if we go to page number 3, the stake that I did today was a stake that would give me, if we look at it in today's prices, so it would be about another $446 that I was able to stake. So I do get some of my dividends from my first wallet and inject it into this wallet so that I can earn a higher daily dividend. So I do around a $400 stake every single day to add to my position, right? And right now in this wallet, I have, let's calculate that together, about $4,078. That's earning me in an average of 0.0451. So that's $183 on a daily basis in this wallet, right? This is what I can earn on this wallet. Plus, I'm adding another $200 from another wallet that's being staked on a consistent basis. Now, what am I anticipating for the next couple of days? I think the TVL is going to reach 2 million. I feel like the Pulsechain ecosystem has not finished pumping. That's one thing. And the second thing is, I feel like a lot more people are going to add more capital into the bond promotion, which is going to boost our APRs. It's going to boost our TVL to 2 million. So that is bullish to me, right? If I'm seeing the TVL keep on increasing, I'm going to feel more comfortable, keep on DCAing my position into the stakes to add more to the Warren protocol. And the more we add to the protocol, the better the health of the protocol. The more dividends we get on a daily basis, the more everybody's happy and the protocol lasts for a long time. Alright guys, so if you guys have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you would like to get started with Warren.Finance, you wanted to put in your bond for a magical 10% airdrop to you, then go ahead and use the link in the description. All the steps are down in the comment section below. You can follow them. If you have any questions, DM me on Telegram or Twitter. And that's it, guys. Have a nice Friday. Have a great weekend. See you guys on Telegram, and I'll see you guys next week with a brand new set of videos.